Good morning children, welcome to the online class. Today we are going to see third class EVS, that is lesson number 2. Our senses. What is the meaning of our senses? Senses means that we feel. We have 5 sense organs. How many sense organs we have? 5 sense organs. What are they? Eyes. Second one is ears. Third one nose, tongue and skin. How many sense organs do we have? We have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. First we are going to see the eyes. We are going to learn about the eyes. What do we do with our eyes? We see the beautiful world around us with our eyes only. How do we see? We see with our eyes. We see different types of animals, flowers, birds and so on. With our eyes we can read so many types of books also. But some people, they cannot see properly. Then what they have to do? They should go to doctor and they should get checked with the eyes. And after that, the doctor, who is an optician, they will give us particular spectacles to us to see properly. And some people are very blind. They don't have eyes from the birth itself. What they will do? They cannot see. They cannot see the world, but they can touch and read. If they want to read, they can touch. And with the help of the nose, they will smell. By touching anything, they will come to know what it is. And how do they read? Those who are blind. They use Braille system. What they use? Braille script for writing. What they use? Braille script for learning. What is that? They will touch. Some boards are there. In the textbook, see, they have given the diagram. That, see how they have written. For A it is there. Means what? Like this, some points are given in there. So while touching this, they will learn the words, alphabets or words or letters, whatever they will touch and they will read this. But with the help of the eyes, we can feel so much. We can see the world around us. And next, what is the next point? Next one is ears. What do we do with our ears? We can hear. We are having hearing sound with the ears. And next, what do we do with our ears more? We can hear the chirping of the birds and also the vehicles when they are going. We can hear whatever the teachers are teaching the lessons, that also we can hear. Okay. But you should not clean with the earbuds. Buds are there. That buds you should not keep and you should not clean. Or you should not keep any keys or any type of pins also in the ears. Why? Because whatever the particular inside the part is there, very thin part, the thin layer is there, that will get damaged and you can become deaf also. So you should not put anything in your ears, children. Next, some people are deaf by their birth only. Some people are deaf by the birth only. At that time, how do they talk? They talk by the sign languages. You can see outside also some people are talking like this with their hands only, by moving the hands. So with this only, they talk to each other like this, moving by hands only. They are having some signs for that. So they talk like that. And some people are there, due to their age or due to some hearing problem, they cannot hear. At that time what they will do? They will use a hearing machine. See in the textbook, the diagram is given. They use a hearing machine. When they keep that machine, they can hear all different types of sounds also. Next what is that? Nose. What do we do with our nose? We can smell different types of smells like flowers or some types of foods, whatever is there, we can smell with our nose. Next, what is there? Tongue. With the help of the tongue, what do we do? With the help of the tongue, we taste whatever you are eating. How do you know the taste of that particular item? By the help of the tongue. Next one. What is the next one? Skin. What is skin? What is skin? We can feel. Anyone if they touch or they pinch us, we will come to know with the help of the skin. Next, last is physically challenged people. What is physically challenged people? Physically challenged. Some people they cannot hear, and also they cannot see, and also they cannot smell, or they cannot walk properly. They are called as physically challenged people. What do we call them? Physically challenged people. They cannot hear, or they cannot see, and they cannot walk properly. Okay, they are called as physically challenged people. Okay children, how many sense organs do we have? We have 5 sense organs. What are they? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. So what do we do with our eyes? We can see the beautiful world around us. And what do we do with our ears? We can hear with our ears. And what do we do with our nose? We can smell with our nose. And what do we do with our tongue? We can taste. We know the taste due to the tongue only. And skin means anyone touches us or pinches us, we know with the help of the